Disabling two-factor authentication on Square can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Visit the Square website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the menu icon or your profile picture, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security section. Click on this option to view your current security settings, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle switch or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click on it and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your settings are applied. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Square account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.